Hey guys, Jeff here. Starting day 5 of the Katy Trail. Just now leaving Herman. Our final destination today will be Klondike Park. It's about 40 miles. See you along the way. Hey guys, made it to McKittrick here, just on the other side of the river from Herman. You get a neat old grain silo here. I did the trailhead check. No water and just a pit toilet. But it is what it is. Getting ready to leave here in a second. Head towards Tree Lord. It's about 16 miles. Another long stretch. I think the longest stretch. Bridge closed. Find a way around it. There's a road over here to the left. It should take us on around. Hey guys, little detour there by road. Maybe a quarter of a mile. Nothing major. Back on the Katy here shortly. Bam, just like that. Hey guys, we'll make a stop here at one of my favorite benches. I like this spot because you can see upriver quite a ways and downriver quite a ways. Kind of misty this morning. Trying to clear off up there. Hey guys, just got here to tree lower. Went in and did the trailhead check. There's no water, just a pit toilet. After we leave here, we'll be headed to Marthasville. How far is that? It doesn't say there. Let's go over here and look. Seven miles. There's an old bank across the street to check out, and a corn cob sculpture. Pretty neat trailhead. Hey guys, here in Marthasville. I almost forgot where I was at. Gonna have to stop and have some lunch here. Get the beef stew. Just waiting on the water to boil. Gonna make a dollar store stop for tonight. Pick up a few things for camp. Then we'll be out of here. Hey guys, here at Marthasville. Already did the trailhead check. They have water in the bathrooms and flushable toilets, so that's all good. Next town is Dutzow, 3.7 miles. See you there. Hey guys, just made it here to the Dutzow trailhead. It didn't take me too long to get here from the other one. It's only 3.5 miles. Let's see where we're going next. I believe Augusta. Yes. To Augusta. 11.4 miles. When we get to Augusta, there won't be no more trailheads after that. We'll be at the campsite for tonight. Okay, getting ready to take off here. See you down the road. Hey guys, just got to Augusta here. I'm getting ready to take off here. Our campsite's only another 2.5 miles down the road at Klondike Park, that way. Okay guys, here I guess the restrooms are a little further down. Did check, no water, just a pit toilet. Okay guys, here we are pulling into the Klondike turnoff. Stopped here at the bottom of the Hill of Death. It'll be a push-a-thon. Hey guys, made it here to Klondike Park. Found my campsite right there. I usually get one way off over there where there's a big pavilion, but I got this one because of that shower house. I've not had a shower in 4 days, so probably going to use all the hot water, all their hot water, then some. Guess we'll get camp set up here. First priority.